Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will discuss about text shadow. Perhaps it might my CSS 24th tutorial. I already created a folder named it shadow. Open with code. It took just a minute. Let's check our overview. First of all, open W3 School. Text shadow, CSS text shadow. The text shadow property adds shadow to text. Text shadow property normally used to make shadow over the text. In the simplest use, you only specify the horizontal shadow and vertical shadow. I have already created two files, one HTML and another CSS. I just remove it, Control M, HTML type HTML5, enter, Control Shift P for live cast mode, screencast SCRWE and screencast mode. Okay, it's worked perfectly. Control Z, HTML5, then Control A, remove. It's worked perfectly. First of all, take a division, name it content, 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 and is one tag, name it fast, fast. This is my fast, fast. CSS text shadow, shadow. Control Shift P for live server, live server. Okay. Text shadow works. Just minimize it. And make a margin star curly bracket margin I took it auto, AU, just leave it as auto. Control S and link with HTML code, link CSS. Wow, it's worked perfectly. Then add some shadow over the text. Alt tab, on our class name it was fast .first fast, then type curly bracket text shadow and value 2px 2 pixel. Control S, Alt tab, the shadow hovering our text. Then you can add color too. I just leave it as red. It works perfectly. Then another text shadow attribute is text shadow effect. Then add a blur effect to the text shadow. If you want to add blur effect on your website, then you have to add another pixel. That might be 5 pixel, 7 pixel and many more. Just copy it, name it second. SECO and second. Control S. This is my second CSS text shadow. First CSS blur text shadow. BLUR blur. Control S. Okay. Blur text shadow. Take another section, name it as second SECO and second text shadow. Text shadow property attribute and just type it 2 pixel 2 pixel. First pixel is for horizontal, it makes shadow over horizontally, and then another shadow make shadow on my text vertically. Then to third pixel, just type 2 pixel, it will take blur effect. Next color name red, red. Right, the shadow become blur. Then if you want to make more style on your website, you have to choose color white, text shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel 4 pixel, and color name as you wish. You may took hexadecimal code or RBG code. Take another section, shift alter upper arrow, class name leave as third, THIRD third. Control S. On CSS file dot THIRD third text shadow text shadow 2 pixel. I just copy 2 pixel 2 pixel. Color blue. Control S. Okay, Control S, and text color leave it as white, COLO, the color property, and value white, W is white. In this way, you can add many shadow as you wish. That's it. Please subscribe my channel to get notification whenever I publish another next tutorial as soon as it gets to you. Thank you.